everyone, I'm really excited to welcome you all to my YouTube channel, which is all about health, nutrition, and well-being. So my name is Nimra, and I'm doing bachelor's in diet and nutrition sciences from the University of Lahore, and it's my last year of studying. So for this very first video, guys, I really want to share a bit about myself, my journey, and why I am so passionate about nutrition. So when I talk about the passion, there must have been something which is related to the past. So we have to connect the dot with my childhood. So growing up, I was a very sensitive kid, sensitive in terms of the food. आई वॉज अ टाइप की जो बहुत कम खाती होती थी और बहुत लिमिटेड सा खाती होती थी. आम ज़ुबान में हम कह सकते हैं कि मैं एक ऐसा बच्चा होती थी जो कि अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत तंग करती होती थी कि मैंने ये नहीं खाना और मैंने ये नहीं खाना. आई वॉज नॉट टेकिंग इनफ फ्रूट्स, आई वॉज नॉट टेकिंग इनफ वेजिटेबल्स, and I just used to stick on a very limited choices. For example, rice, मैं बहुत rice खाती होती थी and मैं noodles बहुत ज़्यादा खाती होती थी. I still remember I used to take spicy noodles all the time. So my dietary habits was not enough healthy. Gradually, I started developing some stomach issues, or at that point, I realized how impactful our food choices can be on our health. And fast forward to 2017, I was diagnosed with the gastritis. For those of you who is not familiar with what is gastritis, it's a condition in which आपकी जो स्टमक वॉल होती है वो इन्फ्लेम्ड हो जाती है एंड यू हैव टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑन द फूड्स. यू हैव टू टेक ऑन प्रिवेंशन एंड प्रिकॉशंस. आई रिमेंबर दैट माई डॉक्टर यूज्ड टू एडवाइज मी कि you have to take the foods who are alkaline in nature. आपको acidic food नहीं लेना because वो acidity create करता है, वो some kind of burning sensation उसमें होती है. And I was having some kind of that severe stomach issues. At that point मेरी food habits change हो रही थी और मैं अपनी जो अनहेल्दी डाइटरी हैबिट्स थी वो हेल्दी डाइटरी हैबिट्स में कन्वर्ट हो रही थी. और gradually I started taking balanced diet, or and then I started taking exercise. Then I started making conscious food choices and habits, because that experience became a turning point towards a path where I'm on right now, guys. And then my curiosity grew stronger and stronger, and I finally decided to study nutrition. The more I learned, the more I became passionate about the subject, and that's what brings me to this channel, guys. I really want to take you on my journey, a journey towards a better health, a journey towards a positive change, and as I work towards becoming a dietitian, so I'll share some insights and amazing tips with you guys. And for instance, we talk about some like amazing ideas. We'll talk about how you can lose weight on a in a healthy way. And for instance, we have might have some episodes where we talk about the benefits of superfoods. We'll talk about how to maintain a balanced diet but having on a busy lifestyle. And also if you're a busy mom जिसका भी बेबी आप मेरे जैसे हैं और उसकी भी जो डाइटरी हैबिट्स हैं वो में बहुत ख़राब हैं और वो कुछ खाता नहीं है, so you can consider subscribing this channel because it is going to help you to develop amazing dietary habits to your baby. And thank you so much for being here, and I really hope to see you guys on my next video. Until then, take care of yourself and don't forget to tap the notification bell. Bye.